Okay, I got my second box of range brass here from Range Brass USA, US, rangebrass.us. So I thought I'd do an unboxing on this one. First, I'll show you my first batch that I finally got completely cleaned up. It pretty much looked like brand new brass. That turned out pretty nice. I'm very happy with that. Get just what doing one-handed is always a little tougher. Get it there. There we go. I'll say they, you go to their website, you know, they may not have it that day, but it'll show back up. Watching things like, I got one of the last of the, in a 9mm. But I check them often, and if you don't see it, it'll come back up. Come on. There we go. Where there's a will, there's a way. Amazing, they get that much brass in that little box. Comes in a pretty tough bag, as you can see. No loose ones. Looks like the first batch I got. Maybe just some powder on them. Of course, I usually wear gloves doing this. Yeah, this definitely looks like another batch of good stuff. And I'm happy to get it, so. I gotta wait till they get some more. I need one more batch. Since I got 8,000 primers left. So this will give me, well, I got a little over 6,000 brass right now. And boy, but I was fortunate. I found some powder. I bought this. This is only part of what I bought of the 3,000. I bought this in October, and I looked at powder. Oh, there was plenty of powder out there. So I thought, oh, great. I'm just going to buy some brass. Whatever looked like it was going to sell out first, and I needed the brass more at the time, so ordered the brass, and then I started looking at powders, and it was gone. And I found this 7 pounds here, Accurate Nitro 100 NF. I use the Hodgdon Tight Group is what I've been using. I got about 2.5 pounds left there, so I'm all set there. I've got I think 10 or 12,000 bullets left in the 9mm. A couple thousand 45s, couple thousand in the 32s, so I'm pretty well set for a while. What got me into this was reloading this brass is exercise for my hands. The first major stroke, they give you all goofy shit to do. Oh, you can squeeze a ball or work out with a can of soup up and down. That's boring. So, I thought, well, working brass would give me a workout and I get bullets in return. So I thought that this would be the best way to go. And I'm pretty happy I've got into it and things going on. At least I got some bullets here to work with. But anyways, 2 orders of brass here, and it looks really good. So if you need some brass, hang in there. Go check out rangebrass.us. Thanks for watching too.